So watching Australia versus New Zealand in the cricket today, it's a bloody cracking game, and feeling a little nostalgic for some nice beer battered fish like you get at home. So today we're making the Cod Father, only the freshest cod. We batter that in sole beer batter. You add sriracha tartar sauce, Piri relish, some cheese, some crispy iceberg lettuce in our signature sesame seed bun. Some game of cricket. Pretty hard to concentrate on doing any work when this is on. Now we're going to make some beer batter. It's a combination of normal flour and corn flour. It gives it a little extra crunch. Yeah, about that much. Now we put a couple of eggs in there. Get quite a lot of salt and pepper you want to put in there. Consistency is something you need to get a feel for, so you just need to add beer until you've got there. For this I'll probably use about 1.5 beers. Salt, it's nice and light. You don't want to use the beer with too strong a flavour. Small hand blender is broken, so we're going to turn for this guy. That's perfect consistency now. As you can see, it's got a little density to it, a little thickness. Wicket. Max was gone. It's got to be some finish. Just making the sriracha tartar sauce. Oh, some fucking game. Ten runs needed now, 2 overs. Unbelievable. So, just toast the bun up nicely first. And then you got a nice crusty cheese layer on the top of the bun. Got a little sriracha tartar sauce on the top and the bottom of the bun. Nice handful of iceberg lettuce. Just gonna season up our beer battered fish a little bit. And we put a bit of Piri relish just on the top of that. Add some lemon. So, bit of a monster. It was a bloody wonderful victory today over the Kiwis, and what better way to celebrate it than eating delicious beer battered fried fish burger. Fish for me isn't really something that goes in a burger, but ever since we did this for that Good Friday a few years back, a huge crowd favourite, it's a lot of people's favourite burger, and it's just really good.